Hey, everybody, welcome. I want to welcome you to day number 30 in the 11K in 30 days challenge, or can I make 11K in 30 days, or can I make 11,000 in 30 days? Guys, my name is Billy Josey. I am the president and CEO of StoneLee Ventures LLC, where we help everyday people create generational wealth and legacy through gold and silver and digital marketing. And of course, this 30-day challenge here right now is not about gold and silver or precious metals or anything like that. Right now, it's about digital marketing, and I am going over this 30-day challenge to make 11K in 30 days. And this is the last week. So this is the second to the last day. And like every night before for this week, I prepared some notes. I prepared a topic, which I'll probably be no more than about 10 minutes. So, again, thank you for coming to this live stream. If you're watching a recording, thank you for watching the recording. So, the title of this day 30 of this live stream and recording is, like I promised, it's what would an extra $1,400 mean to your family? So forget about business for a minute, okay? Forget about marketing, forget about commissions, but what would an additional income actually mean in your life? So think about the possibilities that you have, with an additional income. Emergency savings, you can reduce debt, you can invest more. If you're an investor, you can have different family experiences. You can help aging parents, education, travel, or simply just reducing financial stress. Now, the goal isn't money for the sake of money. The goal is what having more financial options can make possible for you. Okay. So it's really about, like I said, what we do at StoneLee Ventures LLC is that we're about creating generational wealth. We're about creating legacy, but using gold and silver and digital marketing as a means to create that generational wealth and that legacy. Um, that's why I talk about multiple streams of income, right? That's why I talk about entrepreneurship. That's why I talk about digital skills. That's why I talk about assets like gold and silver, because I'm interested in helping everyday people really understand that there may be more than one way to build their financial future. Okay. I'm just looking at my notes here. So let me ask you a question here, and you can answer it, to yourself. You don't have to put anything here at all in the chat or anything like that. But if money weren't the obstacle, what would you do more of? Think about that. If money wasn't an obstacle, what would you do more of? Now, whatever you just thought of what you could do more of, that's why this matters. Not because somebody on the internet named Billy Josey III uh, flashed an income screenshot, or maybe you saw from someone else. Your reason has to really, really be bigger. Really has to be really bigger than that. Okay. Now, if what I've been sharing this whole entire month, this whole entire 30 days, if it resonates with you, I'm not asking you to make an emotional buy-in decision tonight. I'm asking you to educate yourself. And how do you educate yourself? Like I've been sharing throughout the whole entire challenge, and like I've been really sharing, you know, all this week, and the same thing, on this third night. go to digitalgrowthdailypay.com and watch the entire replay. Okay? See what's being taught. Understand the model. Ask questions. Decide whether it aligns with your goals. Then also, number two, I want you to go to 2hourprofitsystem.com. On there, you can get a free blueprint about digital marketing for people like you, if that's you, that want a lower commitment as a first step. And as a bonus, as a bonus, I'm also giving you an opportunity to get a live overview of this digital marketing system. Tomorrow, Friday, July 31st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's an actual live Zoom that you can attend where the founder of this digital marketing system and many others are going to lay out the 2-hour workday system, where what you do for 2 hours, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, to create this income, online digital income. So that's number 3. So I gave you an extra one because I'm a nice guy, right? So there you go. So check those options out. If you're watching this video, there will be the links that I mentioned to you underneath the video or somewhere around the video. If you don't see them, send me a message, let me know, or comment on the video, and I'll be sure to get those over to you. And that's it for tonight. Now, tomorrow is the last day, the final day of the 11K in 30-day challenge, or can I make $11,000 in 30 days? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share what this entire challenge taught me about money, entrepreneurship, discipline, failure, success, and really the person that you have to become to pursue a big goal. All right. So guys, we're right at about almost close to 8 minutes. Like I said, I don't want to keep you long on these. I just want to give you somewhat of a value about the challenge, and hopefully that you've been getting a lot of value from these videos over the past 30 days. And that's it. Once again, guys, this is Billy Bernard Josey III, President and CEO of StoneLee Ventures LLC, where we help everyday people create generational wealth and legacy through gold and silver and digital marketing. And again, if you are watching this on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions, or let me know if you don't see those links that you can go to get all the information that you need. All right, guys, have a wonderful night. God bless, and I'll see you for the final day, final video of the 11K in 30 days challenge, or can I make 11,000 in 30 days? God bless you. Good night.